Welcome back. I would like to encourage you to, if you see this video, try to comment and like, because this will encourage me to do more video for you. But today, let me try to take you to a topic, important topic. Today, we are going to be discussing on a multiplication table which we will be printing it in C++. This is very important. This will be done practically. And also, how will this program work? The program will ask the users to input and limit. The program will request a number, tell the user which number you want, and also the multiplication table, which is the PMP function, will take the number and the limit as the argument. After setting the parameter, it uses a for loop to iterate from 1 to the limit. This is so important in programming. Inside the loop, it will calculate the product and the product of the number, the current iteration. After that, you will see a simple program that will be created to display the multiplication table practically. Thank you for following the theory. Now we move to the practical part. Thank you. I'm Sheton Zero the Wage. See you in the practical now. I've already created it. And using namespace, we will be using for PMT parenthesis open, integer number, integer limit, C out multiplication table off. After that, we will see a number up to. This is so important. Then limit. Now with the sign, multiplication sign. After we use the multiplication sign and close. And after this, today we talk about using for loop. Say for parenthesis open, I equal to 1, I equal limit and I. So after on it, we use C out number, C out number, C out. What else again? After number, we have C out number, I, and after this I, we name our equal. After the equal, we have to use a number again, and This is so important in number time I to close here. Number time I and this is where. So now after we created this, we have to come to the main function and create our say int number int number and limit. We have that already out there, limit. Now see out tell say enter the enter a number then see in say number after working everything out. You have enter a number and you have a number, enter the limit. Now we print this program is working correct. We have already run our program. A program asking the user enter a number. We enter 10. Ask again, enter the limit where this number will stop. Let's say we want for it to stop to 12. Print 10 times 1, 10, 10, 20, 10 times 30, 10 times 4, 40. As you see in it, this is a multiplication table of 10 up to 12. This is how we run a multiplication table by using C++. Let's run again and see. That's a 2. The limit today at 10. The limit will be 10. Stop to 10. So this is how we print a multiplication table in C++. Thank you for following. Comment on this video, share and like. This will be so important. This will improve our skills. It will encourage me to do so many things. So thank you to your share and comment. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Again, I'm Sheton. Say it out of the way. Junior. Thank you.